Good morning, class 5. We are at the fifth part of the chapter Animal Life. I have told you that it is quite a long chapter, and we were discussing about the different breathing part of different types of animals, through which part or which body part of the animals they used to breathe. We have already learned about lungs. Today we are going to learn about some animals breathe through moist skin. Moist means bheja ba shante. The earthworm breathes through its moist skin. So does the frog when it is in water. Now see, earthworm and frog, they are amphibians. They used to, the animals which live in land, on land and in water are called amphibians. They have the capacity of adaptation when they are in water or when they are on the land. So the animals which adapt both in water and in land are called amphibians. So earthworm and frog are the animals those who live on land and in water both. So these animals are having moist skin in their body, and they used to breathe with the help of this moist skin when they are in the water. On land, the frog breathes with its lungs. So see, the lungs we have already read that we are inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It is through the nostrils. It is with the help of the breathing tube. It is reaching to the lungs. Purification of oxygen and carbon dioxide of the air is happening, and again carbon dioxide through the lungs it is reaching to the breathing tube, and again with the help of nostril it is releasing. We are releasing it. Okay. So frog, when it is in the water, it is breathing with the help of moist skin, and when it is on the land, it is breathing with the help of lungs, like us human being. Some animals breathe through body holes. Now in some animals there are holes in their bodies. Insects breathe through tiny holes called spiracles on both sides of their body. The air that enters reaches all part of the body through small tubes called breathing tubes. So what happens? Like, suppose this is an insect. And on their body, on the both side of their body, there are plenty of holes, and they are like tube. Inside that holes there are tubes which helps the air to enter in their body, and these small holes are called spiracles. With the help of these spiracles, the air is entering with the help of the breathing tube, and it reaches all part of the body, small tubes called breathing tubes. So with the help of these small tubes, breathing tubes, the air is entering inside their body, and see, as both side of their body, this hole is there, the air is entering easily inside their body, and this is the way of their breathing. Now next, some animals breathe through gills. Gills is mandatory for, whenever we heard about gills, we understand that it is about fish or aquatic animals. Who are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals are like fish and those who live in water. Fish, tadpoles, prawns, and most animals that live in water breathe the air dissolved in water. So what happens? See here, the drawing of fish is given, isn't it? What happens with the help of this gill? In Bengali we call it kanko. Okay. When our father or mother, they used to bring the fish, they used to remove this gill. Okay, this is, it's not easy to digest for us. Okay, we don't eat it. So that gill or that kanko is the part with which they used to breathe. They have gills instead of lungs. They take in water through their mouth. So see, with the help of the mouth, they are taking water. As the water passes through the gills, it is passing through the gills like this to enter their body. Suppose this is the body of the fish. Now it is entering inside like this, and what is happening? As the water passed over the gills, the dissolved oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. So with the help of the gills, when the fish is drinking water, it is passing through this gill, and the gill is doing the function of removing the gaseous exchange is going on. The dissolved water is being divided and the oxygen is being taken in, and the carbon dioxide is given out with the help of the gill. Okay, so these are the two different major part of the we have learned about lungs, we have learned about moist skin, we have learned about the different spiracles of insects, and finally we have learned about gills. So 4 different parts of animals and 4 different types of breathing types we have learned, through which they used to breathe in and out. So you can do what? You can do a chart like this in a rough paper or in a chart paper. 1/4 of a chart paper you can take and you can write that what are the breathing parts of the different animals like human beings and frog and other reptiles, birds. They used to breathe in and out with the help of lungs. You are writing the animals, and again you are writing the animals that breathe in, like what? Earthworm and frog. They used to breathe with moist skins when they are in water. And some animals, they are having spiracles, and you are writing insect like cockroach. And after that again you are writing gills, and you are writing fish, tadpoles, prawns, and etc. So you have to make a chart. It will help you to remember that which animal is using which part of their body for breathing. That is all for today. In the next video, in the next day, we will start with different method of moving. As we know that we must move from one place to the other for our own need, isn't it? And for that reason, which animal is using which type of special bodily part, that we will learn in the next video. Thank you so much.